Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a specific clip and documenting its origin. Note the show, season, episode, and exact timestamps. Once chosen, make sure the segment is as short as possible to support fair use arguments. Aim for 10-30 seconds when feasible. You should also grab a high-quality master, 720p or higher, 16:9 aspect ratio, and keep an unaltered copy. Finally, export a working file and save metadata. Doing this now prevents headaches later when claiming purpose or countering strikes. Once done exporting, you move into editing with a transformation-first mindset. Add your voiceover, overlay analysis, and insert timestamps that highlight your commentary purpose. Make sure to reduce or replace original audio when your narration is primary. Mute or duck music to avoid background reliance. You should also add visual cues, zoom, captions, or freeze frames that change context and meaning. These changes explain why your use is commentary or critique. Make them obvious and tightly integrated. You finish by writing an explicit upload description. State episode, timestamp, and that the clip is used for commentary, critique, or education. Once live, keep your project files, original source proof, and notes on transformative intent handy. These are your defense if a claim appears. If YouTube flags the clip, file a concise dispute describing how you transformed the work and why it qualifies as commentary. Include timestamps and links to your analysis. One troubleshooting tip: if a strike persists, consult a copyright expert before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.